Hello! We are Empowered by the Sun, and we were originally writing our update to thank you all for pushing us from 50% funded all the way to 75 and 80% funded. And then something really big happened. We got a call from one of our beneficiaries, and this person said, "Hey, we love Empowered by the Sun. We love what you do, and we want to make sure that you reach your goal. We're going to put you past your goal right now." We said, "Hey, thank you very much. This is incredible news, and we look forward to it." And we continued writing our update. But then, about a half hour later, exactly what they said happened. And we reached our goal, and we became completely funded. Yay! So we want to thank you so much, every single one of you, for not only sharing what we do, for not only spreading the word through word of mouth, the internet, email, text messages, phone calls, all of it adds up. But also for spending your hard-earned dollars on supporting Empowered by the Sun and solar education for all.
We really thank you from the bottom of our hearts to each and every one of you, almost 200 of you who have participated and have our back since the beginning. But we also want to encourage you, other people that want to become part of the Sunny community, to participate as well, because we have 2 awesome prizes that we're going to be raffling at the end of our Kickstarter campaign. One is going to be a 3rd voltaic solar charger, and a Go Sun solar cooker, which is called the Go Sun Go. Awesome to cook outside for a picnic whenever there's sun. So anyone who pledges $10 or more is going to be in it to win it, and we really can't wait to see who's going to be the lucky.
Right. And one other reminder that everything we have is a reward. We still have 2 days left. So if you want a t-shirt, if you want an 8x10, if you want any of the awesome rewards we have, this is your chance to get it. We'll be fulfilling orders after the Kickstarter is over, and this really is your chance, because after that we're really putting our noses to the grind. We're working on Sunny and getting everything ready for our tours. Okay, so this is the chance to get one of those awesome rewards that we have.
Once again, thank you for believing in the power of education, and see you soon, Sunny community.
Yep. Thank you very much, Sunny community.
Bye.